Vivian the Cat Show, S2E8, The Laziness Chicken and Vivian Goes to Store.
Okay, Masked Calendar, me and Laziness Chicken are going to the store to buy Diwali things.
Okay, goodbye, I'll see you later.
Goodbye, Masked Calendar.
Hello Vivian, let's go store to buy.
Okay, Laziness Chicken, we too are going.
When they got to store.
Hello, and welcome to the store. How may I help you?
Me and Vivian want Diwali things, like Lakshmi Ma, Smurti, Diya, and Pataghasto Blast.
Okay, that will be 867 rupees.
Eik.
Thank you, you two can go home now.
Goodbye Vivian, we can see you later.
Yes, goodbye, Laziness Chicken. Oh wow, I got helped by Laziness Chicken, thanks Laziness Chicken.
When Vivian got home. Vivian, thanks for in Laziness Chicken behaving at a store. You are ungrounded, go whatever you want.
Thank you, Masked Calendar.
You're welcome.
Hey, don't fight, you two are in so much trouble, go stay in your room.